not in your class.
Oh, I'm in here? That's got to be it.
Okay, 4.7. We're completing the square. So to do that, we're going to start by reviewing things we already know. If I need to solve the equation x squared equals 16, what do I do? 16 equals 16. Take the square root of both sides. What is the square root of 16? 4. What am I missing? Plus or minus. So x equals plus or minus 4. You guys know how to do that. That should be not hard at all. Okay? Next one. If I have x minus 2 squared equals 16, how do I solve that one? Start the same way. Take the square root of both sides. Because this is everything on the left side is squared. So I can say x minus 2 equals plus or minus 4. Okay, I still need to get x by itself. So I add 2 on both sides. So I get x equals 2 plus or minus 4. Now, since this is not a radical, I can actually get integer answers for this. So if I take x, or 2 plus 4, what do I get? And 2 minus 4, I get negative 2. Those are my two solutions. Okay, remember how to do that?
Wait. Oh, never mind.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Wait, where did the negative 2 come in at?
This one?
Yeah.
I took 2 minus 4. So this was 2 plus or minus 4. So 2 plus 4 is one answer, 2 minus 4 is the other. Okay. Next one. Now I'm going to add one more thing to it.
Wait, why? Oh, because it's a plus or minus 4, not the 2. Okay, never mind.
Okay. Okay. So the next one, there's one more thing I have to do before I start. What do I have to do first? Divide by 2. Do it on one side, I do it on the other side, so I get x minus 2 squared equals 8. And now we follow the same thing we did before, so we take the square root of both sides. And I get x minus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 8. But the square root of 8, what perfect square goes into 8? 4. That's the square root of 4 times 2. Square root of 4 is 2, so 8 is just 2 root 2. Everybody remember how to do that? We've been working on that, so you should know. So this is x minus 2 equals plus or minus 2 root 2. Now I need to again add 2 to both sides. And I get x equals 2 plus or minus 2 root 2. Now this one, since I have a radical over here, I can't simplify it any more than that. So my two solutions would be 2 plus 2 root 2 or 2 minus 2 root 2. Okay? Everybody remember that part. Okay, easy stuff, no problems. Okay, another thing we need to review is if I have x minus 2 squared and I want to FOIL that out, I go x minus 2 times x minus 2, right? That's what that means. So in order to determine what that is, I take x times x is x squared. First terms. Outer terms, x times negative 2 is minus 2x. Inner terms, negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And last terms, negative 2 times negative 2 is plus 4. Combine like terms and I get x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay? Should look pretty familiar. Now, I'm going to remind you about a shortcut that we learned. We're going to need to use it today. If I want to multiply this out, but I don't want to FOIL it, do you remember this pattern? a minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Remember that? We did it. Okay? That is the pattern that you can use as a shortcut for foiling perfect squares. So let's see how that would apply and see if we get the same answer if we do this. Okay? In this case, my a is x, and my b is 2. So you're going to say, so my a minus b is x minus 2 squared. So when I use the pattern, a squared is going to be the x squared minus 2. Now the a is still x. The b is 2 times 2 plus b squared would be 2 squared. So see how I put it into this pattern.
Do we have to use that?
You will have to use it today. Yes.
Oh,
Because, okay, now this gives me x squared. Well, minus 2x times 2 is minus 4x plus 4. Did I get the same answer? Yes. You get the same answer either way, but this shortcut here is going to give us a means to solve problems in a new way. You're going to learn how to do that. So let's practice this just a little bit. I have x plus 3 squared. Then x is the a. I'm going to use the same colors here. X is the a. 3 is the b. Okay, so I'm going to have x squared. Now, there's one little difference here. Because this is a plus in the middle, it's going to be plus 2x times 3 plus 3 squared. So let's simplify. X squared, 2 times 3 is 6. That's plus 6x plus 9. Okay? Let's do this last one a little bit quicker. So I take the first one squared. So I get x squared. The negative here, so it's going to be minus 2 times 10 times x plus 10 squared equals x squared minus 20x plus 100. So that's this.
Wait, why is that on the bottom then?
What?
I'm so confused. Oh, never mind. I got it.
Okay.
I was confused for a second.
Okay. So now we're going to use it the other direction. I have a perfect square trinomial. I need to factor it.
Things are hard.
Yep.
We're not having a good day.
Okay. That's okay. If I need to, I can read it for you. So what you're going to do?
No, never mind.
Remember, it's okay. You don't want me to keep this one? I'll record the next one.
Everybody makes mistakes, guys.
Okay.
Everybody does. I'm not going to figure it out.
Now, I want you to look at this, guys. This was 100. The square root of 100 is 10. That goes right here. The square root of x squared is x. So here's what you're going to do to decide if something is a perfect square trinomial. You take the square root of the last term. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of the first term. Square root of x squared is x. 4 times x times 2 is 8. So that's a perfect square trinomial. It meets our pattern. So you're going to look at the x and the 4. This is x minus 4 squared. Let's look at the next one. Okay, 25. What's the square root of 25? 5. What's the square root of x squared? Okay, 5 times times 2, does that equal 10x? 5 times 2 is 10. So this is a perfect square trinomial. So you look at this, I have x, look here for my sign, x plus 5 squared. Does that look like something you can do? Yeah. Okay. Last one of these type here. What's the square root of 121? What's the square root of x squared? X times 11 times 2, does that give me my middle term? 22. So it's x plus 11 squared. So that's the pattern we're going to use today. We're going to use it for solving equations. Any questions on anything here before we go on? Okay. So we're going to use this to solve an equation, but sometimes they don't come out just exactly right. So let's check this. I have x squared minus 12x plus 4. First thing I'm going to do is check to see, is it a perfect square? What's the square root of 4? Square root of x squared. Does x times 2 times 2 equal negative 12? No. So I'm not where I need to be to solve that equation. But I can fix this. You say x squared minus 12x, you leave a space, and I subtract 4 from both sides, equals negative 4. Now, I'm going to create a perfect square trinomial. Now, here's why I wanted you to do the pattern. What's half of 12? 6. What's 6 squared? 36. So we're going to say plus 36. That is a perfect square trinomial. But in equation, if I add 36 here, I have to add 36 over here. Now, it's kind of like magic. You've got x minus 6, because if I take half of 36, I get 6. Or square root of 36, I get 6. And 6 times x times 2 is negative 12. So it is a perfect square. Equals negative 4 plus 36 is 32. Okay, so now I have an equation that looks like that one we started with, right? So I can take the square root of both sides. So x minus 6 equals plus or minus the square root of 32. Add 6 to both sides and I get x equals 6 plus or minus the square root of 32. I can still simplify that number under the radical. What perfect square goes into 32? 4 does. There's a bigger one. 16. 16 goes in there. Okay? So, root 32 equals 16 times 2, which is 4 root 2. So I'm going to write this as 6 plus or minus 4 root 2. So I have 6 plus 4 root 2 and 6 minus 4 root 2 for my two solutions. Okay? Does that seem like it might be doable?
Nope.
Try it again. Let's try it again. Okay. So again, let's look at this. Well, A doesn't even have a square root, a perfect root. So we know this isn't going to be a perfect square trinomial. So right off the bat, we're going to subtract 8 from both sides and create our perfect square trinomial. Leave a blank, subtract 8 from both sides, and I get minus 8. Process is half of 10, 5 squared, 25. So I add 25 to both sides, okay? So whatever times your x, take half of it, and then square that. Okay? Half of it, and then square. So you remember that pattern, you'll be okay. So what is x squared minus 10x plus 25 squared? Or factor. here? 5. Half of 10 is 5. 5 squared is 25, so it's going to be a 5. Okay, negative 8 plus 25. You guys can do that one. 17. Okay, so now all I have to do is take the square root of both sides. You know the drill from here. X minus 5 equals plus or minus the square root of 17. Add 5 to both sides, and I get x equals 5 plus or minus square root of 17. Okay, questions? That make sense? Okay. Let's look at it, another one here. Now, first thing I do when I look at these, I want to know, is there any perfect squares here? So the first thing I look at, now there's a 2 times this. Is 2x squared going to be a perfect square? 10. There's this one over here. So in order to make this a perfect square trinomial, the first thing I'm going to do is divide everything by 2. So I divide everything on this side by 2 and this side by 2. So I get x squared plus 4x plus 7 equals, well, 0 divided by 2 is still 0. Okay, so then, okay, I got the first one, so it could be a perfect square. The last one isn't going to be a perfect square, so we're going to subtract both sides. Get x squared plus 4x equals negative 7. Okay, you guys help me out here. Half of 4 is? 2. 2 squared is? That's what I'm going to add. So now, what is? How do I factor that one? X plus 2. Remember, it's whatever was the half of this one, square root of that, equals negative 3. Okay, so square root of both sides, x plus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of negative 3. I'll have to deal with that in a minute. X, now subtract 2 from both sides. So I get x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 3. But how do I write the square root of negative 3? What do I do with that negative? It's going to be, I has to come up front. It's I square root of 3, right. And now I'm done. Okay? So, first thing you need to do is make sure you can take a square root of it. Then you need to get it in the right form. If you need to move this number over to the other side, you do that. Take half of the middle term and square it. Write it as a perfect square. Equals the number on the other side. Take the square root of both sides and simplify your answer.